Stock market recap. Today is Friday, June 14th, 2024. So Elon Musk got his pay package approved by shareholders. A lot of people didn't know that that's not the end of it, obviously, but that does help, but it'll go in front of a judge later down the road, okay? But this stock's going to be a roller coaster ride up and down. It's going to be volatile. But again, these inflation reports coming in lighter than expected. It's a step in the right direction where we'll get to an interest rate cut eventually if it can keep up with that data, okay? And Tesla is an interest rate sensitive stock because they're in obviously the automotive business, EVs, right? Where people take out auto loans, right, to purchase EVs. So obviously if rates go down, that helps with volume, okay, in theory. So Tesla is going to be a long-term winner, guys. If you believe it's a technology company, this is a good time to be buying the stock here, guys. You don't want to be buying this when it's back over 200, okay? So I would dollar cost average in this area. That's fine. Just do it slowly. Again, have your plan once a month, whatever you want to do, okay? But like I said, I believe Tesla is going to get to, the self-driving eventually, which is going to be huge. And there's so many other areas, again, we know. So Tesla, I believe you can dollar cost average in right now. Then Broadcom obviously continues its streak after they crushed earnings and they have the 10-for-1 stock split. So there's a lot of talk about this company being, another $1 trillion valuation, okay? And that would get the stock going higher, and especially, again, same as NVDA, right? Retail traders having more access to it after the split. So I could see this stock, playing the momentum. For me, I'm sticking with NVIDIA over Broadcom, but I'm sure Broadcom will be a good play as well, guys, okay, if you're a momentum trader. And then also, speaking of NVIDIA, obviously this one continues to go up. Again, I believe best company in the world, okay, and it always comes back to remembering Cisco back in 1999 when they had 100 price earnings ratio. This is right before the bubble, right, burst. They had 100 price earnings ratio, okay, and they were selling $100 routers, okay. Now NVIDIA, each chip obviously costs 6 figures per chip, so a lot higher, and the PE is only around 40 or whatever it is right now. Forward PE maybe a little less than that, okay. But we're not even halfway to where Cisco's valuation was. And again, Cisco was not selling nearly or doing as much business as what NVIDIA is right now. So that's what's exciting to know that before a bubble happens, this can go much, much higher, guys. And we're talking about a stock. We may not see a stock like NVIDIA in our lifetime ever again. Okay, that's what I believe, honestly, okay? So NVIDIA, you want to hold shares long, guys. Keep doing that. Of course, you can short-term trade in your other account if you want and play with bigger money. And right by now, I've already started hedging, and selling some in my short-term account. Again, I'm not getting greedy. This has been a stellar run, guys, okay? But like I said, still have it in my long-term account. And then the other one is Apple, guys, okay? Obviously, we know they had their conference. Everyone knows now that there's going to be, an iPhone replacement cycle, right? Where when this AI comes out on their phones, people are going to have to replace their phones, okay? Laptops, okay? The iMacs, whatever it is, and that's going to be a big boom, for Apple's revenue, okay? So that's why people are buying this stock. It went up to about in the 220s and pulled back to 212-ish, so this is a good dip to get in on Monday, okay? Or if you have enough time before market close here, okay? Or when after hours trading is over. But Apple is a safe play, guys. They are going to, again, think of the ecosystem that Apple has, okay? I know people were so caught up, right, with the low growth, but that's going to change here soon. I know they have to prove it still. They will. Okay, it may take a little bit of time, but this is one you want to be in. Apple is a solid play. NVIDIA, again, Taiwan Semiconductor. Okay, we talked about a lot of these stocks. Okay, like I said, if you want to be in Broadcom, I understand if you want to play that momentum. For me, I'm not in that one personally. Okay, I don't want to chase that one. I like where I'm at with NVIDIA. I'm focusing on that one. Okay. Micron, like I said, and again, nothing wrong with taking profits. So remember not to get too greedy. Have your plan where you sell a little bit along the way, guys, okay? But again, any questions you have, I'm here to help you. As you know, I'm a mentor, whether you're a short-term trader, long-term investor. I'm here to help, guys, okay? Eventually, I'm thinking about setting up a Discord channel as well. Let me know what you think about that in the comments below, okay? If you think you'd be a subscriber of that, okay? Because I'm pretty close to getting to where I can start bringing in some money, where I can start using some of that to reinvest into the business to grow it more and start a Discord channel, all that. So let me know your thoughts, guys. And I always, your advice is always helpful. So anything I can do to help, myself get this out to more people. And, I appreciate your feedback. So have a great one, guys. And I appreciate the comments and sharing this with other people. Peace out.